Hello everybody, welcome back to part 2 of our Loot Crate and Loot Anime opening. So
Loot Gaming and Loot Anime.
So tell us, what do we have in part 2?
So right now this is a kind of finish up for it. We had 5 Loot Gaming / Loot Anime boxes that we haven't opened for over the last year. So we just kind of want to do a mass box opening for them. And so right now we have Loot Anime, and afterwards we'll have a Loot Gaming. This will be the wrap up. But let's see what we got.
This box is pretty heavy.
Is it pretty heavy?
So
Yeah. Oh yeah.
this is a hefty box. So
Let's crack open.
let's see what's in here.
We got some pretty good things from the first video. We'll
Yeah,
leave a
but that was
link in
Loot Gaming. This is Loot Anime. So.
Yep.
Yeah, so if you want to check out what we got in the first Loot Anime one.
This is hilarious.
So
We haven't opened this in a while. I feel like this has been shaken up a little bit. But it's a ninja inspired Red Bull.
Oh, Ninja, Ninja's Twitch streamer, I believe, that plays Fortnite.
Yep.
So
Wow, that's
interesting.
good thing these don't go bad, right?
I hope not.
No, we're good.
Next, for the shirt, we have. Oh,
That's
this
a sweet
This is
shirt.
a cool Overwatch shirt.
That is a sweet shirt.
All the characters, all laid out right there. Huh. We play Overwatch around here sometimes. So
we dabble in the Overwatch game.
So we appreciate this. This is actually a really cool shirt. I like it. Next.
Box in a box. We got 2 boxes in boxes. This is a
Interesting.
cup. Okay, what kind of cup is it? Oh man.
What is it? Is it
Naruto.
Oh, that is pretty cool.
Yo. Okay.
That's
We're
actually
pretty
really-
big fans of Naruto.
Is that
so
glass?
that's glass.
Wow, that is cool. It's blue too. So
I might have to steal this.
That is cool.
We're gonna have to roll for that one.
That's a cool one.
That was a pretty good find.
This we have ReZero Isekai anime,
Okay.
and it's a
Another cup.
coffee mug of. I think her name is Rem. I don't know. I know one of them's name is Rem and one of them's Ram, and I think this is Rem.
If you know, drop
Leave
a
a comment
comment.
below. That's actually really cool. I like that cup.
Yeah. Let's go with the blue interior and then the black exterior.
Next, we have. So I'm a little bit confused about this. Is Ninja an anime?
But Ninja's a ninja, and so is Naruto.
But is he an anime? Like, why is he in Loot Anime? That's what
don't
I'm
know.
confused about. So, is he known for anime somehow? I know he Twitch streams Fortnite or something. So, interesting. Loot Anime. Oh, is this a
Odyssey.
postcard? No, it's not a postcard.
So you got the mini teacup,
Mm-hmm.
the Naruto Naruto Shippuden glass, okay, or Attack on Titan blind box figure. That's what we could have also gotten.
Oh, I'm glad we got the Naruto cup then.
I am too.
And Voltron, Castlevania, or Overwatch t-shirt. We got the Overwatch one.
Yep.
Nice. And I think this is the bumper sticker right here.
Okay, all right, nice.
Interesting. Okay. I mean, personally, I like the stuff we got out of here. I like this cup. I like the shape of this cup. It's like,
And the fact that these are really good quality.
yeah. Oh, they're both same color blue. Everything's blue here.
Yep, I mean even the box.
Mm-hmm. And well, let's wrap this up. I am gonna steal this cup though. You're gonna steal that cup?
I am gonna steal this cup. Dude, this is a sweet cup. As soon as I saw Naruto, I was like, oh man, that's gone. Who wants the Red Bull?
Yeah, I don't
Red
know.
Bull. Do you like Red Bull? If you like Red Bull, leave it in the comments.
Leave a like. Okay. And this is the last of the 5 boxes. Loot Crate Gaming. Want to do the honors?
Sure. Let's crack this baby open. Oh man, you got that good old tape on there. Okay. Big box time. Oh yes, big brain time.
What is that?
It is a glass water bottle, Sonic the Hedgehog.
Oh, let's open that. Let's
Reading
see.
is fundamental sometimes. I can do it. I can do it every once in a while. This is pretty sweet.
Interesting. I'm always scared about shipping glass bottles, but almost. I think that may actually be pretty cool.
It does look pretty cool.
Is it glass? Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, with paint on it. Yeah. That is awesome.
That is pretty cool.
That is awesome. Lee, you can have dibs on this.
Next, we have is a dog meat shirt. You know,
Oh.
dog meat, best companion anyone can ever ask for in Fallout.
I mean, it's a dog. It's the best companion ever. Unless you're a cat person.
That's a really cool shirt.
Next, we have Super Fight, the Loot Crate deck.
Let's open that and see what that is. A super fight.
Oh, it has the instructions right down the back. A little bit of box damage though.
No longer mint.
No,
Heavy
I mean, we're taking it out of the box, so. Okay, so this looks like some kind of card game. What does this say? Okay. So this must be just some kind of card game. Nice.
Interesting. Huh. If you know anything about that, please educate us by leaving a comment down below letting us know what it is.
We have no idea, but we do like card games, so anytime we see them, we'll give it a shot.
And we have,
Health bars.
oh man, player 1 is damaged. And losing 1 full life. Wow.
Player 1 is damaged. Definitely damaged.
It was actually pretty cool. So,
Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Oh, we have a lot of pins in this one.
oh, this is a
Mega
Mega
Man.
Man pin set. That is actually really cool.
Mhm.
And these are really thick pins
Yep.
too, so like they're high quality.
Thick enamel pins. Okay, nice. Nice.
And last, tell us what we could get.
What's on the other side?
Exclusive. Oh, this is a Sonic Mania.
Okay, so that kind of goes with the water bottle.
It's like a really cool water bottle. I like it. So exclusive Fallout Dog Meat T-shirt. Yep, we got that. Exclusive Sonic Mania water bottle. Yep. Mega Man 8-bit pin set.
Yep.
Super Fight deck. Exclusive player 1 and player 2 pin set.
Okay.
And one lucky winner could have gotten these things.
An epic drop.
And we did not win. So.
Nah. We didn't.
Well,
I don't see anything else in here. Nope.
hope you enjoyed our catching up of 5 months of our loot crate and stuff like that.
It was fun for us. I hope it was fun for you guys. I mean, if you want to see anything else like this, just drop a comment in our comment section or
Yeah,
shoot us an email.
if you If you think we should do giveaways on some of the stuff we get, leave us a comment, let us know. And we will be happy to send some of this out.
Yeah. So we don't need all of it.
See you guys next time.
See ya.